Jay Blades, the beloved television presenter and furniture restorer known for his work on The Repair Shop, recently appeared in court to address allegations of controlling and coercive behavior toward his former partner. The 55-year-old, whose warm personality and craftsmanship have made him a household name, faced a serious moment in the public eye as he navigated these legal proceedings. The case, which has drawn significant attention, highlights the complexities of personal relationships under public scrutiny and raises broader questions about accountability and support for those involved in such allegations. Blades, a charismatic figure who has captivated audiences with his ability to breathe new life into cherished heirlooms, entered the courtroom with a demeanor that reflected both gravity and resilience. Dressed in a tailored suit, he maintained a composed presence, though the weight of the allegations was evident. The charges stem from his relationship with his ex-partner, with whom he shares a history that has now come under legal examination. The allegations of controlling and coercive behavior, a serious offense in the UK, involve claims of actions that impacted the emotional and psychological well-being of his former partner. The court appearance marks a challenging chapter for Blades, who has built a career on authenticity and relatability. The Repair Shop, a BBC series that celebrates craftsmanship and storytelling, has made Blades a beloved figure, with viewers drawn to his warmth and dedication. His journey from a working-class background in East London to a prominent television personality has been an inspiration, particularly for those who see him as a champion of second chances. The allegations, however, have cast a shadow over his public image, prompting discussions about how personal struggles intersect with public personas. The specifics of the allegations remain sensitive, as legal proceedings are ongoing, but they center on claims that Blades engaged in behavior that was controlling or coercive over a period of time. Such behavior, under UK law, can include actions that cause fear, isolation, or emotional distress, and the court's role is to determine whether the evidence supports these claims. Blades, through his legal representation, has denied the allegations, and his appearance in court was a procedural step in addressing the case. The seriousness of the charges has led to a measured response from both Blades and his team, as they navigate the legal process while maintaining his professional commitments. For fans of The Repair Shop, the news has been a shock, as Blades' on-screen persona is one of kindness and empathy. The show, which features artisans restoring sentimental items, has resonated with audiences for its focus on healing and renewal. Blades' role as the host, guiding families through the emotional process of seeing their treasures restored, has made him a symbol of compassion. The allegations, therefore, present a stark contrast to the image he has cultivated, leading to a range of reactions from supporters and viewers. Social media platforms have been abuzz with responses, with some fans expressing unwavering support for Blades, citing his contributions to television and community initiatives. Others have called for a careful consideration of the allegations, emphasizing the importance of listening to all parties involved. The case has sparked broader conversations about the nature of coercive behavior, a topic that has gained increasing attention in recent years as awareness of emotional abuse grows. For many, the situation underscores the complexity of personal relationships, particularly when played out in the public eye. Blades' career is marked by his dedication to craftsmanship and community. Beyond The Repair Shop, he has been involved in projects that promote furniture restoration and upcycling, advocating for sustainable practices and the value of preserving history. His work with charities and community organizations, particularly those focused on youth and education, has further solidified his reputation as a figure who uses his platform for good. The court case, however, has raised questions about how public figures navigate personal challenges while maintaining their professional responsibilities. The allegations come at a time when Blades was enjoying a peak in his career. Recent seasons of The Repair Shop have been met with critical acclaim, with special episodes, including one filmed at Buckingham Palace, highlighting the show's cultural significance. Blades' ability to connect with guests and viewers, often through heartfelt conversations about the stories behind their items, has been a key factor in the show's success. His personal journey, including overcoming challenges in his youth, has also resonated with audiences, making the current legal situation all the more poignant. The court appearance was a procedural step, with Blades entering a plea and the case scheduled for further hearings. The legal process is expected to be thorough, as allegations of coercive behavior require careful examination of evidence and testimonies. For Blades, the focus remains on addressing the charges while continuing his work, though the public nature of the case adds an extra layer of complexity. His legal team has emphasized his cooperation with the proceedings, signaling a commitment to resolving the matter through the appropriate channels. The broader implications of the case touch on societal issues around relationships and accountability. Coercive control, recognized as a criminal offense in the UK since 2015, encompasses behaviors that may not involve physical violence but can have profound effects on a person's autonomy and well-being. The allegations against Blades have prompted discussions about the importance of recognizing and addressing such behavior, as well as the challenges of doing so in high-profile cases. For victims, the public nature of such cases can be both empowering and daunting, as they navigate their experiences under scrutiny. For Blades, the court case is a personal and professional challenge, but it does not define his entire legacy. His work on the repair shop has touched countless lives, from the families whose heirlooms are restored to the viewers who find solace in the show's message of renewal. His advocacy for craftsmanship, sustainability, and community engagement remains a significant part of his identity. The allegations, while serious, are part of an ongoing legal process, and Blades' response has been one of respect for the system. The public's reaction to the case reflects the complexity of separating a person's public contributions from their private life. Fans have expressed a range of emotions, from disappointment to hope that the truth will emerge through the legal process. Comments on platforms like X have highlighted Blades' impact on television, with many urging caution and forming judgments until the case is resolved. The situation has also sparked conversations about the pressures faced by public figures, who often live under intense scrutiny that amplifies personal challenges.